Want to make your Instagram notes stand out with fun emojis? In just a few seconds, I'll show you exactly how to add emojis to your Instagram notes so they look colorful, expressive, and impossible to ignore. First, open your Instagram app and make sure you're on the latest version that if you haven't updated recently, go to your App Store or Google Play and update it. Now, open your Instagram account. Then tap on the Messages option. Go to your Notes and press the Writing option. Long press on it, and the Emoji section will appear. Now you can add your favorite emoji, change the text color, and even add music. And that's it. Super simple. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Instagram tips.